Hey everybody, this is Dr. J, and this is my 2019 F250 Super Duty Diesel King Ranch Edition. I've had it several months and love the truck. I've done a few little things to it. You can see from here I put some aftermarket wheels and tires on, which I actually bought used with just a few thousand miles on them. Saved a little bit of money. Walking around to the front, put just the little stainless inserts where it says Super Duty, and once again the aftermarket wheels. Right after I got it, I put the Ready Lift 2.5 inch leveling kit on it. Love that. And I did put a bed rug in it, and of course the shell on the back, which my little brother hates. It's okay, it's not his truck. Getting ready today to put on the MBRP 5-inch single exit exhaust system. I went ahead and did a self-etching technique on it and put some high heat paint on it just because. Don't know if it'll work or not. And we're going to go ahead and do a startup here just for capturing the sound of the factory exhaust. And I've got a little decibel meter laying there, and it's showing 67, somewhere in that range in decibels. Now, I was unable to find any videos really that showed what the aftermarket exhaust sounded like, so that's why I'm doing this video. My plan is to back the truck in the garage and tear off the old exhaust system and put the new one on, and then I will shoot another quick video just showing a comparison of the sound. Thank you.